How to make the best fruitcake. Let's get this straight. This isn't your grandma's dry, brick-like fruitcake. This is a fruitcake that is moist, rich, and truly delicious. The key is in the soaking and the quality of the ingredients. Step 1. Prepare the dried fruit, 48 hours ahead. The secret to a moist fruitcake is to give the dried fruit plenty of time to soak up some serious flavor. 1 pound mixed dried fruit. This can be a blend of raisins, currants, sultanas, dried cherries, and chopped dried apricots. 1 cup liquor, dark rum, brandy, or even a spiced whiskey works best. Chop any larger pieces of fruit. In a large bowl, combine all the dried fruit with your chosen liquor. Mix well, cover, and let it sit at room temperature for at least 24 hours. But up to 48 hours is even better. Give it a stir every now and then. The fruit will plump up and absorb all that delicious liquid. Step 2. Make the cake batter now for the easy part. The batter itself is simple and comes together quickly. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened 1/2 cup brown sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, a pinch of ground cloves. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius. Grease and line an 8-inch round cake pan with parchment paper, leaving some excess paper on the sides to help you lift the cake out later. In a large bowl, use a stand mixer or a hand mixer to beat the softened butter and brown sugar together until light and fluffy. This should take about 2-3 minutes. Add the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, salt, and all your spices. Slowly add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing on low speed until just combined. Don't overmix. Step 3. Combine and bake. It's time to bring it all together. The soaked fruit mixture from step 1. 1/2 cup chopped nuts. Pecans or walnuts work beautifully. Gently fold the soaked fruit mixture and the chopped nuts into your cake batter. Make sure everything is evenly distributed. Pour the batter into your prepared cake pan and smooth the top. Bake for 1.5 to 2 hours. The cake is done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Step 4. Feed the cake. The secret to ultimate deliciousness. This is the most crucial step for a fruitcake that gets better with age. As soon as the cake comes out of the oven, use a skewer or a toothpick to poke holes all over the top. Slowly spoon 3 tablespoons of liquor, the same kind you used to soak the fruit, over the top of the hot cake. The cake will soak it all up like a sponge. Let the cake cool completely in the pan before removing it. Step 5. Store and age wrap the cooled cake tightly in plastic wrap, then again in foil. Store it in a cool, dark place. For the best flavor, feed the cake with another tablespoon or 2 of liquor every week for 3-4 weeks. Unwrap the cake, poke a few more holes, drizzle the liquor over the top, then rewrap it tightly. This aging process allows the flavors to meld and mature, resulting in a fruitcake that is incredibly rich, moist, and flavorful. It's an investment that is absolutely worth it.